Yo, so we're here, we got two FMUs. One is the older Vortec, which is kind of the legit one. It's all taken apart, obviously, but then this is a BLOX with an X, kind of a knockoff. They look the exact same. So yeah, we're trying to fix the high fuel pressure issue with the Bimmer, and I think we'll have a good remedy here. So we're going to use this new gold one, which is actually a 10-to-1 disc. Shouldn't really matter. This is a 12-to-1 on the old one. We're going to use the whole new one, but we're just going to use this bottom part of the Vortec because, I guess because we're kind of lazy. And that's probably not the issue. So, alright, so we got the top half of a BLOX knockoff Vortec, the bottom half of a Vortec with our like 5/16 fittings. So, yeah, it's got the 10-to-1 disc in it. So yeah, we'll see if it works. Everything's tight. Yeah, all we can do is throw it in and see if it works. So. Yeah, this is just a pain in the ass. Just get me angry at it.
See it down there installed. You got the bracket. Hold on that way. We'll plug in with the boom. So yeah, see how she rips, I'd say.
Yeah, let's see if it leaks, I guess. All I didn't think it was gonna start. I was just trying to prime it. It's idling a little rich, but that's okay. So it reads 80 psi, but that's actually incorrect. That thing's broken. So,
but if the fuel pressure does skyrocket and get stuck at really high, it will move up to the 100 though.
Yeah,
we'll see that.
It just moves like a little bit.
Yep. Here we're on the highway. Let's see it.
It's the boost.
Stop just to check everything out under the hood after a little bit of rippage. You see that FMU down there? Still no leakage, and you see the gauge right there. You guys can't read it, but it's twitching right around that 40, which is where we want it to be. So again, so we saw it rise when we gave it the goods, and before the plunger was staying stuck down, so it would just skyrocket. It wouldn't do much, but now it's returned back to 40, so that's what we want.